Reasoning is the logical thinking process used to draw conclusions based on existing evidence or premise. In a broader context, reasoning involves mental activities that connect ideas or facts into a coherent conclusion. The concept of reasoning is essential in various fields of science, including philosophy, mathematics, law, and everyday life, as it serves as a foundation for rational decision making. Here is a more detailed explanation in the concept of reasoning. Understanding reasoning. Definition: reasoning is the mental process of structuring, evaluating, and drawing conclusion from premise. This process typical involve logical steps or argument arranged coherently for someone to follow. Purpose of reasoning. The purpose of reasoning is to reach a justifiable conclusion, identify the truth or falsehood of a statement, solve a problem, and make logical decisions based on available information. Relation of reasoning to logic. Reasoning is closely related to logic. Logic provides rules or guidelines that direct someone to think consistently and coherently, while reasoning applies logic to draw conclusions from premise or facts. Two types of reasoning. Generally, reasoning can be categorized into their main types. Deductive reasoning. Definition: deductive reasoning is the process of drawing a conclusion from general premise to specific case. If the premise are correct in deductive reasoning, the resulting conclusion must also be correct. Example: general premise: all humans will die. Specific premise: all is human. Conclusion: all will die. Characteristic: deductive reasoning is definitive, meaning the conclusion logically follows from the premise. The outcome is always logical as long as the premise use the correct. Inductive reasoning. Definition: inductive reasoning is a process of drawing a conclusion from specific case to a general conclusion. This type of reasoning produces probabilistic likely conclusion, not absolute truth, as is released on partner or threats. Example case: the apples I have eaten taste sweet. Another case: the apples my friend also taste sweet. Conclusion: all apples taste sweet. Characteristic: inductive reasoning produces probabilistic conclusion, meaning the conclusion may be correct but not certain, as it is based on observed patterns that may not represent all cases. Abductive reasoning. Definition: abductive reasoning is the process of drawing a conclusion that provides the most likely explanation or best hypothesis for an event. Abductive reasoning is often used to make initial guesses in solving incomplete problems. Example: if the light in the house don't turn on, one might conclude there might be a power outage as the most likely explanation. Characteristic: abductive reasoning often does not produce certainty, but rather an initial hypothesis that still needs verification. It is commonly used in diagnostic or scientific investigation. 3. Stage of reasoning. The reasoning process involves several logical stages. Problem or question identification. The first step is to identify the problem or question that needs to be solved or answered. Information gathering, collect premise, the fact or evidence relevant to the problem or question. Analysis and organization of information. Organize information logically. For example, by distinguishing facts from opinions or grouping similar evidence. Conclusion drawing. Conclude information based on partner or logical relationship among the premise. Conclusion evaluation. Test the conclusion to ensure its truth and validity, especially when using inductive or abductive reasoning. 4. Structure of reasoning. Premise, a statement of assumption that from the basic of the conclusion. Premise are foundational in an argument. Conclusion, the result of the reasoning process based on existing premise. Argument, a set of interrelated premise supporting a conclusion. Argument are the main element of the reasoning process, providing the basic logic of thought. 5. Validity and truth in reasoning. Validity in the context of reasoning. Validity indicates whether the structure of an argument or reasoning is logical. For example, a valid argument is one in which the conclusion logically follows from the premise used. Truth concern the accuracy of the premise used. An argument may be valid but not true if the premise used are not accurate. Conversely, a correct argument has accurate premise and logical conclusion. 6. Use of reasoning in everyday life. Problem solving reasoning is crucial solving both simple and complex problems. Various factor and drawing the most logical conclusion. Decision making. In decision making, reasoning enable use to weigh the pros and cons of various options, allowing us to choose the best alternative. Evaluating argument. Reasoning enable us to evaluate other argument. For example, in debate or discussion, we can determine if an argument is logical and supported by sufficient evidence. Making prediction. Inductive reasoning allows us to make prediction based on observed pattern. For example, if every November brings rain, we might predict that it will rain in the November. 7. Logical error in reasoning. Logical fallacies. Sometimes reasoning can be some common types of logical error include argumentum of hominem, attracting a person's character instead of their argument; strawman, misrepresenting the opponent's argument to make it easier to attack; circular reasoning, repeating the conclusion as a premise; false dilemma, forcing a choice between two alternatives when more options may be available; post-hoc ergo propter hoc, assuming that because one event follows another, the first event causes the second. Reasoning is a fundamental ability that allows humans to understand and analyze the world around them. Good reasoning enables us to make more rational decisions, understand the relationship between different ideas, and communicate coherently. The concept of reasoning helps us not only in understanding information but also in evaluating, solving problems, and thinking critically.